Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Dell monitor no sound problem. If you want to fix the issue, then you have 7 steps to follow. If one step does not work, then go to the next step. The first step is to check cables, plugs, jacks, speaker and headphone connections. So first check the plugs, jacks and speaker and headphone connections of your Dell monitor. Then go to the next step, check sound settings. You need to check your sound settings in your Dell monitor. You need to check the sound is not muted. The third step is to check the speaker output device. If you want to connect an output device like external speaker to your Dell monitor, then check the monitor is properly connected to your Dell monitor. Then the next step is to fix audio drivers. You need to check the audio drivers of your Dell monitor. Update the drivers for that. The next step is to use Window Audio Troubleshooter. You have another option to use Window Audio Troubleshooter for your Dell monitor. Test external audio device. You need to test external audio devices like external speakers like JBL speakers and Sony speakers or any other speakers you have. Test external speakers with your Dell monitor to check the sound. And in the last, run Dell sound test. Check the sound test. Check the sound issue is fixed or not in your Dell monitor. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.